Good morning, students. Today we can start with a new topic, Rolle's theorem. Okay, Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is a theorem. We are studying differentiation. So one of the important theorem is Rolle's theorem. Okay, Rolle's theorem states that let us discuss. We are discussing about the functions. F be a continuous function. We have to study the continuity. That is, we have to study that. Fifth chapter we are having two sections. First one continuity and the second topic is differentiability. Okay. Then continuity. Then just taken you will understand that. Okay. Then f is defined in closed interval a b to r. That means f is a real valued function. Its range is a real number. F is defined from closed interval a b to r. That function is continuous at the closed interval a b. Continuous at the closed interval a b, and f is differentiable at the open interval a b. And f of a is equal to f of b. F is a function. See the curve. This is the f. This curve is f of x. F of x. F of x can be either x square plus 2 or x raised to 4 plus 5 or 3x cube or like that. It is a curve. It's a function and its graph is a curve. Okay. In this curve, we are selecting a closed interval. Do you remember what is interval? This a to b. It's a closed interval. F is defined on a closed interval a b. F is defined from closed interval a b to r. It's a function. This function is continuous at a closed interval a b and it is differentiable. What do you mean by differentiable? It is, we can find the derivative. Okay. We can find the derivative of f. For example, if f of x is equal to x square plus 2, it is differentiable. We can find the derivative. So, f is continuous and differentiable. F is continuous at a closed interval a b and differentiable at the open interval a b. And f of a is equal to f of b. These are the three conditions for Rolle's theorem. What is the first condition? F is a function from closed interval a b to r, and f is continuous at a closed interval a b, and f is differentiable at open interval a b, and f of a is equal to f of b. See, f of a is equal to f of b. That curve reaches the same question. Then we can find a c. Belongs to open interval a b. We can find a c belongs to open interval a b such that f dot c is equal to 0. This is known as Rolle's theorem. You can find a c such that belongs to open interval a b such that f dot c is equal to 0. Okay, you must study this theorem. What is Rolle's theorem says? F defined from closed interval a b to r, and f is continuous at the closed interval a b, and it is differentiable at the open interval a b. What is the difference between closed interval and open interval? In closed interval a b, a and b are included, but in open interval a b, a and b are excluded. Okay, then it's differentiable at the open interval a b. And one more condition is there, f of a is equal to f of b. F of a is equal to f of b. Then we can find a number c. We can find a real number c such that belongs to open interval a b such that f dot c is equal to 0. If these conditions satisfied, Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay? Then we can check the problem. Exercise problems. Exercise 5.8, question number 1. Exercise 5.8, question number 1. Exercise 5.8, question number 1. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. And the interval is given x belongs to closed interval minus 4 to. X belongs to closed interval minus 4 to. Here the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. And the x belongs to closed interval minus 4 to 2. We must verify Rolle's theorem. Let us take the conditions. What is the function here? Here the function is x square plus 2x minus 8. What kind of function it is? It is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. It's a polynomial. Polynomial, all the polynomial functions are continuous. Okay? All the polynomial functions are continuous. And it is differentiable also. Can we find the derivative of this? Yes, we can find the derivative of x square plus 2x minus 8. So, it is continuous at the closed interval minus 4 2. So, we can write the first condition. F is continuous. All the polynomial functions are continuous. F is continuous at minus 4 2. Here what is F? F is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. And second condition, what is our second condition? F is differentiable. Can find the derivative. Okay, F is differentiable at open interval minus 4 2. What is the derivative? And the derivative f dash x is equal to f dash of x. Can we find the derivative? X square. What is the derivative of x square? X square derivative is 2x plus 2x. Its derivative is 2 minus 8. What is the derivative of minus 8? Minus 8 is a constant number. Its derivative is 0. Then f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. And f dash x is 2x plus 2. Okay, so f is differentiable. And what is f of a? F of a, instead of a, here what is f of minus 4? F of minus 4 is minus 4 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 8. Minus 4 square is 16 plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8. 16 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And what is f of 2? F of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square. F of x square plus 2x minus 8. F of 2. Replace x by 2. 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. 2 square is 4 plus 4 minus 8. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we understood that f of 4 is equal to f of 2. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. What is the first condition? F is continuous. Since all polynomial functions are continuous functions. So, f is continuous at the closed interval minus 4 2. And f is differentiable. We found the derivative of f. What is f of x? X square plus 2x minus 8. What is its derivative? Its derivative, x square derivative we have studied, it is 2x. And 2x's derivative is 2. We found the derivative, so it is differentiable. And we found f of minus 4, f of minus 4 we got it 0, and f of 2 also we got it 0. Then f of 4 is equal to f of 2. So the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. If then Rolle's theorem states that what is Rolle's theorem? If all these conditions are satisfied, we can find a C belongs to open interval AB such that f dash c is equal to 0. Here what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay? Then let f dash x is equal to 0. Let f dash x is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 0 minus 2. Minus 2. And x is equal to minus 2 by 2. It is minus 1. We got, or we can take it as f dash c. If you take f dash c, that you can replace by c. F of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Then what is f dash c? F dash c is equal to 2c plus 2. F dash c, let it be 0, then f dash c is 2c plus 2. So plus 2, when we transpose it is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 2c is equal to minus 2. 2 into c minus 2. Then c is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. We got c is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Is it belongs to this interval? Yes, definitely minus 1 belongs to open interval 4 minus 4 2. And this belongs to this group. You know, open interval minus 4 to 2, which all numbers are there? Excluding minus 4 and 2, minus 4 is not there, excluding minus 4 and minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 up to 2. All these values including fractions are there. So definitely minus 1 belongs to open interval minus 4 2. Hence, Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay, let me explain this once more. Rolle's theorem, what are the conditions? F is continuous at the closed interval AB and F is differentiable at the open interval AB and F of A is equal to F of B. Then there exists a C such that C belongs to open interval AB such that F of F dash C is equal to 0. Our question is F of X is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and X belongs to closed interval minus 4 2. And we know that x square plus 2x minus 8 is a continuous function since it is a polynomial function. All the polynomial functions are continuous functions. Okay, and we can find the derivative of this. So, if you find the derivative, it is differentiable. F is differentiable at open interval AB and open interval minus 4 2. And we found f of minus 1 is 0 and f of 2 is also 0. Then f of minus 4 is equal to f of 2. Three conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. Now let us check. Let Rolle's theorem state that if these three conditions are satisfied, there exists a C such that f dash C is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Then f dash of C is equal to 2c plus 2. F dash of C 0, that means 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2c is equal to minus and c is equal to minus 1. We know that minus 1 belongs to open interval minus 4 to 2. So that we can say that Rolle's theorem is verified. Now we have studied already Rolle's theorem, we have studied. Now we can study one more theorem is there in this chapter. Actually this is the last topic of this chapter, that is mean value theorem. We write it as a mean value theorem, MVT. It's very important one. Mean value theorem, like Rolle's theorem, that Rolle's theorem, actually mean value theorem is an extension of Rolle's theorem. In Rolle's theorem, we have the f of A is equal to f of B. But in mean value theorem, it is not the same. F of A and the f of B are not the same. Okay? And similarly, let us check the definition. F from closed interval AB to R is a function, f be a function. It is defined from closed interval AB to R, where R is the real number. So f is a real valued function. Why we call it as a real valued function? Its range is real number, so that it is known as real valued function. F from closed interval AB to R. It's a continuous if it is continuous in closed interval AB and differentiable in open interval AB. These first two conditions are same for Rolle's theorem also. If it is so, we can find then there exists a C. Then there exists a C belongs to open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. F dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Okay? Once more, I would like to define this mean value theorem. F from closed interval AB to R is a continuous in that you see this A and f of A, f of B. This x-axis, here is y-axis. Y is equal to f of x. If f A, then it is f of A. If x is B, then it is f of B. Y is equal to f of x is our function. Y is equal to f of x is our function. When x is equal to A, then it is f of A. When x is equal to B, here it is f of B. They are not same. F of B is greater than f of A. So, we can find f dash C, that is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Then C belongs to open interval AB. Then there exists a C belongs to open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. I hope you understood the theorem. Let us verify mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. Exercise 5.8. Exercise 5.8. Question number 4. Exercise 5.8, question number 4. Verify mean value theorem. Verify MVT, mean value theorem. Verify mean value theorem if f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. F of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. F of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. X belongs to closed interval AB. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. And now you see what type of function it is. It is a polynomial, x square minus 4x minus 3. It's an algebraic expression, polynomial. All the polynomial functions are continuous in which interval? Interval A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. So the interval is closed interval 1 to 4. F is continuous in closed interval 1 to 4. And second condition, we can check whether it is differentiable. F of x is x square minus 4x minus 3. Then what is f dash x? F dash x square derivative 2x minus 4 plus 3 derivative 0. X square minus 4x plus 3, what is the derivative? X square derivative 2x minus 4x derivative minus 4 plus minus 3x derivative is 0. We can find the derivative so that f is differentiable. We can find the derivative so that f is differentiable in closed interval 1 to 4. If two conditions are satisfied, we have to find f dash c. F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. For that we have to find f of b. What is f of b? F of x is equal to, we have f of x. F of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. Then f of b, instead of b, what is number here? 4. b is equal to 4 is given. F of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. What we get? 4 square is 16. Minus 16 minus 3, that is minus 3. F of 4 is equal to minus 3. And the f of a in place of a it is 1. F of a, that is f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 4 minus 3. 1 minus 4 minus 3. That is minus 6. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. We got f of 1 and we got f of 4. Now we have f dash c is equal to f of b. F of b means f of 4 minus f of 1 divided by 4 minus 1. What we got as f of 4? F of 4 is equal to minus 3. Minus of f of 1 is minus 6. Okay? Minus 6 divided by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here we have minus 3, minus of minus 6 plus 6 divided by 3. Then minus 3 plus 6. What we get? 6 minus 3. 3 by 3. We got 1. So f dash c is equal to 1. It belongs to f dash c is equal to 1. Okay? So mean value theorem is verified. Okay? I hope you understood this. We got here 1. And we have to, here we got this side is 1. Then f dash x. What is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. Then f dash c, that is 2c minus 4. We have 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. Then 2c is equal to 1 plus 4. I'll write this again. We got here it is 1. Now f dash x, we have already found it, 2x minus 4. Then what is f dash c? F dash c, 2c minus 4. And f dash c is equal to 1. 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. 2c is equal to 1. Minus 4 on transpose is plus 4. So we got 2c is equal to 5 and c is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 almost what is the value? 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So that means c, that is 2.5, belongs to open interval 1, 4. Hence, mean value theorem is verified. Okay, once more on this lesson. What is mean value theorem? Mean value theorem says that f is a function, f from closed interval ab to r is what are the conditions? First condition, continuous in closed interval ab and differentiable in open interval ab. Then we can find a c. Then there exists a c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. We can verify mean value theorem for this question. What is this question? F of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. Here x belongs to closed interval ab. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. We know that it's a polynomial function, so it is continuous in closed interval 1, 4. And then we can find the derivative of x square minus 4x minus 3. F dash x is equal to x square derivative 2x minus 4, that 2x minus 4. It's a differentiable. We found the derivative, so it is differentiable in open interval 1, 4. And we have f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. F of b, that is f of 4 minus f of 1 by 4 minus 1. We found f of 4. Replace x by 4. What we got? We got minus 3. And f of 1, that we got minus 6. On substitution, minus 3 minus of minus 6 plus 6 by 3. That we got answer is 1. So f dash c is equal to 1. What is f dash c? F dash x is 2x minus 4. Then f dash c, that is 2c minus 4. We got it as 1. 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. So that 2c is equal to, when we transpose this 1 plus 4. 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5. c is equal to 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 means 2.5. 2.5 definitely belongs to interval, open interval 1, 4. So, mean value theorem is verified. I hope you understood both Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. All of you please study all these theorems very well. Okay, thank you very much.